Hey, what's up guys? Johnny here from Wrap Bullies. I want to give you guys a quick tip. If your Tesla is wrapped, say you washed it about 4 days ago and you notice a little bit of dirt, bird droppings, and it's a little dirty. What you want to do to save your wrap longevity wise, you want to make sure that you just clean the hood and about right here on this body line up. So you want to clean the trunk, the quarter panel, doors, just on this area right here, because this is where the sun does the most damage on your wrap. So you get your Eco Wash, and I have 2 towels just to demonstrate how dirty it is. I'm gonna show you with one towel how to clean it, and then the other how clean the car actually is. So I'm gonna move it over there to that shady spot so that way we're not cleaning it in the sun. So let's get started.
Let it sink, let it fade away.
As you guys could see, just on this back windshield alone, you could tell how dirty the car is. But because this is a satin wrap and it's a dark gray, you can't really see the dirt. So take into consideration when you're thinking that your car is clean or it doesn't look that dirty, where like I don't really need to wash it.
Let it sink, let it fade away. Let it.
Have you noticed there's a little bit of bird droppings right here, right here? So you're gonna spray the whole car, give it a couple coats, and if you notice that that doesn't go away, then you're gonna spray directly on it and let it sit there for a couple seconds, and then once the moisture gets into it, it breaks it up and you can wipe it off. Start on the hood. Letting the car cool down when you're wetting it.
Now that's the love. Let it sink, let it fade away. Let it sink, let it fade away.
See a little bit of bird droppings that stay behind. This is a little bit of iron fallout right there. So you just spray it directly. Spray it directly. Let it sit there for a couple seconds. And then what you want to do, just wipe it. You can see it went away. Same thing. Now you don't scrub it, don't rub it in. You just want to go over it, past it, and it'll break it down. If you go and you try to scrub it, it's gonna scratch your wrap. So don't ever do that. I'm gonna do this side of the car. Remember, from this body line, you want to hit it up. So everything that's on the top of here, you want to cover. We'll just do portions at a time. You don't really have to get the window. You could if you just want to make them look good. So we'll hit this. You see there's little bird droppings.
Now
and white. Yes, I'm gonna do the rest of the top. I'll put you guys in time lapse, and then I'm gonna grab a clean rag and show you guys how the Eco Wash cleans the whole car. Okay, so I got a clean part of the tail. I'm just gonna run it off over everything that I passed, just to show you how clean it is. So you guys have it. And that is just to protect where the sun damages your car the most when you have a wrapped vehicle.